Conversation 1.
Do you like your town?
I do not like living there because the winters are really cold and the people are not friendly.
Ugh, that does not sound like a nice place to live. So, why do people live there?
It is cheap to live there and there are lots of jobs, so most people stay there. What about your town?
Uh, it's nice because it has great weather, but it's not cheap, so you can't save money.
I see. Looks like we can't have the best of both worlds.
Conversation 2.
What did you think of the movie?
I liked the movie, but it was a bit too long for me.
I didn't like it because the acting was bad and the story was boring.
I read the book, so I was interested in the movie, but it was different from the book.
Yeah, I didn't read the book, but I want to because I heard it's really good.
I have the book, so I can give it to you if you like, but you have to give it back because I want to read it again.
Thanks. I would love to, but I don't have the time now.
Okay, suit yourself.
Conversation 3.
Hey Hannah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. So tell me, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I heard it's going to be a really nice day on Saturday, so I'm planning to go to the beach with my friends. The beach is 3 hours away, so we are going to go by car and we are planning to have a barbecue, and I'm very excited. In the evening, we are going to have fireworks, so it's going to be very beautiful.
So are you going to stay over at the beach?
No, we're going to come back, so we'll be home quite late.
Oh, so then what are you going to do on Sunday?
I think I'll be sleeping all morning, and probably in the afternoon I'm going to study because I have a maths exam on Monday.
Oh, that's a shame. Well, I think I'm gonna wish you good luck in your exam and have fun at the beach.
Thank you.
Conversation 4.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. So, what are you going to do this weekend?
Well, on Saturday, I think I'm going to go to the gym because I haven't been there for a while. And then I think I need to clean my house because I didn't have time during the week and it's a bit messy now. And in the evening, I think I'm going to have dinner with my friends.
Are you going somewhere after dinner?
I don't think so. I really want to spend this weekend in a really relaxed way, so I don't think I'm going anywhere after dinner.
I see. How about Sunday?
Well, Sunday, I'm not going to do anything during the morning. I really want to take, a rest. And then I'm going to have lunch with my family because I haven't seen them for a while. And then in the afternoon, there's this movie I really want to see. So I'm going to the cinema with my friends.